This is a trick for remembering which zeros count and which zeros don't count. It's not my trick. I saw it a while ago on YouTube, and it's called the Atlantic and Pacific rule. If you can remember that here's North America, here's the Americas, and on one side we've got the Atlantic and one side we've got the Pacific, which I know you can remember, that these zeros represent the two cases, excuse me, these two oceans, the Atlantic and the Pacific, represent the two instances when zeros don't count. One is a leading zero and one is a trailing zero, and all other zeros count. Now, trailing zeros. This isn't a number like 3,000 with no decimal. In 3,000 or any zeros, these zeros are trailing in that they go after the number and they trail away. So these represent the Atlantic Ocean, where the 3 is in the North America, and then you've got the Atlantic Ocean on one side of it, the zeros going into the ocean. Those are called trailing zeros. Leading zeros are the other thing. Now this is where you have a decimal and you've got some zeros and then you have a number. Leading zeros are something like 0.007. Now these zeros lead up to where the measurement begins, and they are leading zeros and they don't count, or 0.0052. All those zeros don't count. Those are called leading zeros. And that's the Atlantic and the Pacific rule.